Hello, my name is Anukava. It is truly an honor to lead the AI Library Chatbot project, where our primary mission is to transform how we access the information. In a few words, our work is about to creating a seamless bridge between people and knowledge, enabling instant personalized learning experience through cutting-edge AI. This chatbot is designed not just to answer the questions, but to understand, adapt, and assist users in a way that makes learning more accessible, efficient, and engaging. With each interaction, we are building a smarter, more intuitive system that can cater to the diverse needs of our users. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Hardik Sharma and I am data expert specializing in AI-powered library chatbot. My role focuses on analyzing and structuring vast amount of library data to ensure that our chatbot deliver accurate and relevant results to users. By integrating advanced algorithm and natural language processing, I help create systems that make searching for books and research papers and resources effortless. My goal is to make libraries smarter and more accessible, connecting people to the knowledge they need in just seconds. Thank you.
Hello everyone, as the prototype builder for our library chatbot, my role is to create an early version of our library chatbot that showcases its functionality and user experience. This includes designing how the bot will interact with library visitors and building the underlying framework that power those interactions. I will be focusing on key features like book search, management, event updates and FAQs. Essentially everything a user might need when they visit a library, website or app. The goal of this prototype is to test how well the chatbot can handle common library tasks and deliver a smooth initiative experience.
I am Abhyuday Sharma, the data designer for our AI driven library chatbot project. In this role, I have been responsible for curating, structuring, and ensuring the quality of the data that powers our chatbot. The heart of any intelligent system lies in the data it learns from, and our chatbot is no different. By designing data models that can understand complex queries, provide insightful recommendations, and engage with users effectively, we aim to transform the way individuals interact with our libraries. Our chatbot's ability to assist with finding resources, answering questions, and offering personalized learning paths is all thanks to the meticulous work we have done with the data.
My name is Vinay Mathur and I am an AI researcher specializing in library chatbots. My work focuses on creating intelligent system that makes accessing information in libraries faster and more efficient. These chatbots are designed to understand natural languages and helping users to locate books, research papers and other resources. By blending cutting-edge AI with the user-friendly design, we aim to transform libraries into smarter and more accessible places for learning and exploration. It's all about connecting people to knowledge seamlessly and empowering them to discover more. Thank you.
Hi, I am Shivansh Kumar, an information researcher. My job is to collect questions from users or stakeholders, find accurate answers and prepare detailed reports. I gather reliable information through research and analysis, ensuring every detail is accurate. Then I organize everything into concise reports for the projects. Leader, making complex data easy to understand. In short, I turn questions into actionable answer to keep projects on.